Hello everyone, it's Elle from gmailfiend once again, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to add another account in Gmail. So what you have to do first is of course access your Gmail account, and once you have this web page loaded, then you should be able to follow my tutorial. So what you have to do is to go to the upper right corner of your screen. So click on your icon and you should see a pop-up box, and you just have to click the add another account option, and then you can type in which account you want to sign in as well. So let's try. So let me just verify real quick. And yes, that's how it's done. So if you check here, you now have 3 accounts logged in. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you tune in for more.